Hi, Kylie. Kylie. Hi, Kai. Where are you going? Are you going to go get your stroller? Where's your stroller? Oh, there it is. Is that your stroller? You're still too small. No, don't touch that. Dirty, yeah. Yeah? What you doing? Where's Ashley? Go find Ashley. Kylie. No, come here. Kylie. What you got? Come on, this way, sweet. Come on. This way. No. Come on. This way. Good girl. No, over here. Where's Ashley? Go find Ashley. Say, Ashley, where are you?
You found me.
Where are you going? Are you crazy? Kylie, are you funny? Can you growl? You growl. Kylie. Hi.
That tickles.
Say bye-bye. Kylie, say bye-bye. Kylie. Kylie, say bye-bye. Kylie. Hello.